Today and tomorrow, I want to expand on Paul's understanding of the cross and resurrection of Christ. I want to begin today's daily message with some verses from the first letter of Paul to the Corinthians. This is chapter 1, starting with verse 18. He writes, "For the message about the cross is foolishness to those who are perishing, but to us who are being saved, it is the power of God. For it is written, I will destroy the wisdom of the wise, and the discernment of the discerning I will thwart. Where is the one who is wise? Where is the scribe? Where is the debater of this age? Has not God made foolish the wisdom of the world? For since in the wisdom of God, the world did not know God through wisdom, God decided through the foolishness of our proclamation to save those who believe. For Jews demand signs and Greeks desire wisdom, but we proclaim Christ crucified. A stumbling block to Jews and foolishness to Gentiles, but to those who are the called, both Jews and Greeks, Christ, the power of God and the wisdom of God." And so Paul contrasts this wisdom of God with the wisdom of the ages, the wisdom of this world. And by so doing, he intends to reveal the character of this world, the normalcy of this world, the normalcy of our world, the normalcy of his world was the world of empire. Christ was crucified, executed by imperial authority, by the Roman Empire. And Jesus was crucified for challenging the authority of the Romans. And so Jesus was against the empire. He was anti-imperial. So is Paul. So God's raising of Jesus was God's vindication of Jesus, his way of saying that the way of empire, the way of the normalcy of the world, the normalcy, the absolute banal normalcy of violence and oppression has been done away with, has been made foolish because of God's vindication of Christ through the resurrection. There's a new way to live. There's a new way to achieve peace in the world, and it's through the cross and resurrection of Christ. Thanks a lot. Have a good day today.